Alright, welcome back to Driveway Party. We have a load of scrap to take. So, let's go make some money.
Woo! Look at here, look at here. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
Woo, 174.
What? 174? That's a
double
lot.
what I thought.
Yeah.
That's half of the turbo.
Shit. That's awesome.
Sweet. I think I know what it is. Do you know what it is? You're smiling. Somebody is not focused today on the camera. You guessed what it was.
I did. I guessed what it was and I was right.
What was that?
A turbo.
A spinny boy.
A spinny boy.
I think this might be the spinny boy. What?
Jeez, the dogs are more excited for the box.
So I ordered a torque converter for the transmission, and I got an email saying it's not coming in until February 10th.
Really?
Yeah. So then this heavy box shows up, and I'm like looking for a Jag sticker on it, and I just couldn't remember because I ordered this turbo impulsively during the week because it was
Like
on
this
sale.
week?
Yeah, I ordered this like on Tuesday. Today's
Friday.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Right, so after thinking about it, all of VS Racing was basically having big sales for New Year's. And Tuesday was what, like the 4th? I was like, oh shoot, like I have the money, like
Yeah.
I need to order this before the sale ends. Oh my gosh. Look how small it looks. Doesn't it look tiny?
Jack, leave it alone, please. The dogs just want the cardboard box.
No. Well, there's things in there they can't have. This looks so much smaller.
Oh my god, that doesn't.
Doesn't it?
It does.
This is a Cass 7875. It's one of the later ones. It's not the original one that they discontinued. There's no paperwork in here. I forget if this is the Gen
Jack.
2.5 or
You
the
can't
next
have
gen.
that.
The next gen turbo. I was trying to decide if I should do twin turbos or just one single. This is like the best turbo for the smaller LS engine.
Looks cool.
Yep, looks like a turbo. Okay, it's Sunday. We're gonna go for a little ride in the C10 back to the Tokazuski's where I actually bought the truck from. He cooked us some ribs, so we're gonna go for a ride on a Sunday and we'll pick that up.
Packets I left out here.
All right, we made it. Never mind the hood up. We had a bunch of people that wanted to see in there.
Show off.
Yeah, of course. Everywhere I go, everybody wants to see. So, we're at Big Steve's house. He's got all these smokers out here. But I want to show you guys the ribs.
Whips. Whoa, you
Whips?
Whips. Easy there.
Does he have whips in there? So, oh, I can't open it with one hand. This is Bite Back Barbecue. Ooh. I don't know if the sun is screwing this up. Bite Back Barbecue. These look good.
They do look really good.
Hungry?
Yes. finger looking good.
he had 50 racks of ribs. Everybody was over there. Like, it was like hungry hippos. Everybody trying to get their ribs, get their share.
Good day.
The radiator's hot. Leave it. Look up so great on it.
Your fingerprints are probably on there.
It was a palm job. Yeah, I was like making sure the injection's plugged in. I just put my hand down.
All right, let's eat. I'm hungry. Look at the puppies. All right, so we took Sandra's 2013 Honda Fit to the shop because where's your radio? So she uses this for her Bluetooth phone calls. How long have you been using it? Like years?
Maybe a year. No.
Oh.
I had one before.
Well, anyway, it plugs into the cigarette lighter and then it transmits a radio signal, and she has to be on the radio station in order to talk on the phone, and it's not working anymore, so we're just gonna install a new radio for her. You've been wanting this for a while.
Yeah, I've been wanting this for a really long time. And we get to watch DVDs supposedly with this thing, so
Yeah.
that'll be exciting.
For it being a 2013, this radio is pretty crappy.
Yeah, I can't even get any radio stations with this.
So this will be a good upgrade.
Yep.
So let's tear this little car apart. So, the problem with these Honda Fits the radio is integrated into the dash in a way. So here's the new radio. We didn't even open it.
Let's hope it works.
I'll just shred the bag so we can't return it. Don't mind me. As you can tell, this doesn't fit in there. So, we sell these adapters. Pretty close in color. So, evidently, we have to install this vent assembly onto this somehow. There's a spot for the hazard signal. And I guess all of this gets deleted and your new radio is going to go in there. We probably have to trim out the center bar.
Yeah. I'm a little confused about the passenger airbag on and off feature, but we'll figure that out.
Oh, yeah.
And what exactly?
Well, that's just a light.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so, I got this mounted up. What do you think? How's it look?
It looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, much better. This thing
I even like the
looks
color.
like it's like...
Like I like it a
It
little
looks like an
darker.
early 2000s, realistically. It's like, it looks like it's 10 years outdated. So, that's one thing. The electrical is usually where people get scared. So they give you this. This plugs into where the old radio plugged in, and then this is the electrical connector for the new radio. So they're obviously different. So you have to match all the colors up, and this will be your adapter harness. So that's how that works. So this is going to take me a few minutes to wire up, so I won't bore you guys with that.
So what are we doing? We're testing it out.
Yeah, before I put the shrink wrap on everything, we need to test it before it's permanent. I should probably... You have your keys? No. Where do I have your keys?
I think you have my keys. Where'd you put my car keys? There you go.
Oh, there.
Oh,
Can I pull this off, or do you want to pull it off?
you can pull it off.
Here. Peel the sticker. Peel the sticker. Straight static right now. Oh. Does this mean you're a car girl now?
No.
You get the PFI hat, now you're a car girl.
This
Oh my gosh.
is my hat to begin with, so. It looks better on you anyway.
PFI speed. Shout out to Brent, Jamie, and Todd. And Fong. All motor Fong. Got your phone?
Go grab it right now.
Well, we didn't shoot an outro, but we drove home. The radio worked great. I had fun doing that. I don't really do that many things like that. Like, I'm not really like an auto body or a sound system guy. I usually just tend to make things faster or higher horsepower or louder. So it's kind of nice to change things up. And today I got to play with a radio, and Sandra's happy to have her car a little sweeter. I think that's her first car mod. So that's always exciting when you do your first mod. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. See you next time. We're going to do a camshaft and valve spring install on the Camaro engine that came out of the truck. So it's the same cam and valve springs that are in the Turbo C10 Cornpop truck. So that's it.